how to connect Google Nest Wi-Fi to Xfinity. So first of all, you're gonna need the general app to be able to do with the setup. And once you have the app, you should just be able to follow the step-by-step instructions very easily. So to get the app, go ahead to your Play Store over here and search for Google Home. Once you search for Google Home, go ahead to this app over here and go with the installation process. And once it's installed, press on open. So it's gonna ask you to log into your account. If you don't already have one, you can create an account. It's very simple. But once you create an account, log in, and you should be able to see something like this. What you're gonna do from now is go to the bottom right to your automations and create a home. But as long as you create home, it's the same process. So press and create home over here and nickname your home. We're just gonna nickname it anything we want and press on save. If you want to put a home address, you can, but for now, we're just gonna go ahead and skip this. So you can add it later on if you'd like, but so it's gonna look for devices over here. So if your Google Nest Wi-Fi is already turned on, it should just show immediately. But if not, you can go ahead and directly put a device. So go ahead here in the top right, there's a plus button. You're gonna go ahead and press on that, and you're gonna go press on the device option. You can go ahead and choose the scan QR code. And if your Google Nest Wi-Fi has a QR code, you can go ahead and scan it. You can go press on search for device. So if you press on search for device and choose watch home, you can do the same process again as the first time. Now, if it asks you what you're going to set up, you can just go ahead and put it in manually as well. So if you're here, go down to the Wi-Fi section and press your Nest Wi-Fi router. But again, pretty much depends on what model you're going for. But in our case, we're going to go with the Nest Wi-Fi router over here. So it's going to give us the instructions on how to do so. And in our situation, it says to plug your device into power. So of course, make sure it's turned on. And once the light is slowly pulsing white, your router is ready for setup and you can continue the next step. So just go ahead and follow the instructions one by one, and you should be able to connect your Google Nest Wi-Fi to your Xfinity router. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.